Study point. All the lectures are available here.
Now, study what happened when multiple voltage sources are connected in series and parallel in circuits. DC voltage sources are added up and replaced into a single DC source, if they are in series.
These are the examples in which two DC voltage sources are added up. Like 5-volt and 3-volt batteries are added up according to their polarities and replaced by a single battery that is 8-volt. Similarly in the next example,
multiple AC voltage sources are added and replaced into a single voltage source if and only if they are operated on same frequencies.
Here there is an example in which two AC voltage sources with same omega, that is 10, be added up and replaced into a single voltage source that is 2 sine of 10t.
When AC and DC voltage sources are connected in series, they can only be added algebraically, cannot be replaced by single voltage source.
Here there is an example of this type of case. We simply added it like 5v plus 2v sine of 10t. It is the algebraic sum and there is no way of replacement of voltage sources.
When multiple AC voltage sources are connected in series with different frequencies, they can be added algebraically and cannot be replaced with single voltage source.
There is a case in which two AC voltage sources are in series and they are added as 2v sine of 10t plus 2v sine of 10.5t. This is algebraic sum.
If the voltage sources either AC or DC are connected in parallel, then they can be replaced with one voltage source only if they have same magnitude, amplitude in case of AC, frequencies in case of AC, and polarities.
This example is for this case in which two voltage sources are in parallel with identical magnitude, then they can be replaced with only one voltage source, that is 2 volt. And in this example there are two AC voltage source are in parallel with same amplitudes, frequencies, and polarities, therefore they are replaced into a single voltage source that is 2v sine of 10t.